At UFTV, we are more than just a television station where students can get an exciting opportunity to create great content for our viewers. We gain real-world experience by working on news shows, cooking programs, talk shows, political debates, and lectures around campus and our region. Each year, we also live stream over 100 hours of UF sporting events like basketball, volleyball, football, and soccer. This year, we look forward to improving and upgrading our broadcast to high definition to enhance your viewing experience. But we need your help. Technology upgrades occur every 3 years, and we haven't upgraded our TV studio equipment since 2007. So, it's time. UFTV needs new HD studio cameras and graphic software that will give our broadcast a more professional production while providing us with the training and experience of working with the latest industry cameras and software. Your generous gift means so much more than new and cool gear. It means that students like us will get to work with current leading-edge technology that is used by professionals in the television industry. Please make a contribution today at fmn.findlay.edu/give. Remember, you can always watch UFTV's great content to see how your generosity is helping us create a future in media. Your contribution will help us create new experiences and build a powerful resume towards a career in the media industry. As a public media service, we need your investment. Please consider an amount that works for your own personal economy, and thank you for making a difference. It means a lot to us and our future.